Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is how to register Revolut account. First thing that you will do guys is simply go to your Google Play Store and just simply tap on the search icon on the middle down below and tap on the search bar at the top and search for Revolut. And now make sure to install this application and tap on open. And once you have done that, in order for you to register a Revolut account, just simply tap on sign up over here. As you can see, when you open up the app, you should be able to see the sign up button. And guys, since Revolut doesn't let us record what's in the application, so I'll just simply put a step-by-step guide on the screen. And now from here, just simply select the country that you have. So in my case, I live in the Philippines, so I'm gonna select Philippines. And now from here, just simply provide your mobile number. And now it will ask you if your number is correct and tap on confirm. And after that, guys, a 6-digit code will be sent to you and just simply provide it. And after that, once you have done that, guys, as you can see, just simply select a country or region on where you live. So let's say I live in the United Kingdom. And after that, just simply tap on sign up securely. And from here, just simply provide the name in your ID. So the name must be on your official document as well. So just simply provide your first name over here, guys. And after that, just simply tap on continue. And now just simply provide your date of birth and just simply tap on continue. And after that, just simply provide your home address postcode. And once you have provided your postcode, you should be able to see here the address and just simply tap on continue. And after that, just simply provide your email over here, guys. Once you have provided your email, just simply tap on continue. And from there, you should be able to create an account and just simply provide the necessary information in order to proceed. And there you go. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe. And thanks for watching. See ya.